Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermarks on Instagram Reels. So here, let's just start by clicking on this plus icon and then choose to create reel. Here, I'm going to just use a video, for example, okay, this video is right here. And then if to add watermark, you can just simply click on text and then write your watermarks. For example, here I'm going to just write hex. Here you can choose the style to how you like it. You can change the font, and here you can also add text background if you want to, or text effect. Okay, I'm going to go with this. You can click on done, then you can put it anywhere in your video. I'm going to put it here on the center. So this is how you can create a watermark on the Instagram Reels. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.